Hey, my name's JR, and I'm the guy that gets to talk to shops all day long, every day about what they want. And you know what every shop wants? More cars. That's by far the most important thing. It's probably the most important thing for you. So what would be the best way to do that? Well, we've got this package that we made to specifically answer this question called the Car Count Booster. It's catchy, right? It's literally the 3 things you need to do that will cover the majority of your inbound marketing, getting people to call the shop. It's having an outstanding customized website, having a really good Google advertising plan, and then also having a really good SEO plan. Those 3 things together will boost your numbers, and it's very predictable, gives you good return on investment, all of that stuff. So I said website. What are you looking for when I talk about it? You've got a website, right? Well, not all websites are created equal. Having one that's customized to the shop that has the look and feel of your brand is important. You should own that website as well so that you're working towards something that belongs to you, but also needs to be written in a way that Google can see and understand what the services are you're providing, so that when people search for auto repair near me, or I want a diesel specialist, or I'm a BMW owner, I mean, every shop is different. You got different services. So making sure that it's written and done in a way that Google sees has a lot to do with showing up in search and the people picking up the phone and calling you, right? So that's the website part. Well, that's also SEO. SEO means search engine optimization, if you didn't know, and it's just influencing Google to naturally come up when people search for those things. All those things, you gotta think like the consumer. How do I get in front of them when they're searching for a shop? I've got a lot of competition. What's gonna put me in front of the other people? Well, that's SEO, and there's a lot of stuff to be done with it. It takes a pretty smart mind to do it, and we're really good at SEO and doing the things to affect Google and Google Maps and all that kind of stuff to impact your rankings in the search. The third thing as part of that package is those Google ads. So Google, the only way to get to the top when people search for something is to pay for those Google ads. Google's very smart with this. If you pay that money for, auto repair near me and you want to be at the top, the only way to do that is through Google ads. You can't just turn on the ads and forget them though. It takes a lot of work to make sure they're performing well, because otherwise your money will go just like that. So Google ads can be very expensive, so you need to know that they're being done well and you're adapting to what's happening in Google. So these 3 things together are a really good way to make the phone ring, and not only that, but to get customers that are qualified. We all want the right people calling the shops, not just people price shopping or asking for services we don't provide. All 3 of these things working together will get you the kind of customers you need and increase the inbound car count. So this is our Car Count Booster package. I love it. It's very popular, and it's a wonderful way to feel confident about that inbound lead strategy. So if you want to talk more about it, we had scheduled a Discover call with me. I would love to meet with you, explain more about it, look at your shop, and see if we can work together. Bye.